For bathroom remodeling in Cedar Fort, Utah, 84013, EagleRidge Roofing and Construction provides expert craftsmanship and high-quality materials to transform your space. A well-designed bathroom enhances comfort, increases home value, and improves energy efficiency, making it a smart investment for homeowners in Cedar Fort. EagleRidge Roofing and Construction specializes in all aspects of bathroom remodeling, from modern upgrades to complete overhauls. Their services include demolition, plumbing installation or relocation, electrical work, and lighting upgrades to ensure your space is both functional and visually appealing. Waterproofing and moisture barrier installations help protect your bathroom from long-term damage, while high-quality drywall and tile installations create a polished and elegant look. They offer expert bathtub, shower, and toilet installations or replacements, along with custom vanities, sinks, and countertops designed to suit your style. Cabinets, mirrors, and storage solutions are carefully integrated to maximize space and efficiency. Flooring options such as tile, vinyl, and hardwood provide durability and beauty, while trim and molding details add a refined touch. For homeowners looking for enhanced comfort, EagleRidge Roofing and Construction installs heated flooring, smart technology like digital showers and mirrors, and accessibility modifications such as walk-in tubs and grab bars. Those seeking a spa-like experience can choose from sauna and steam room installations, jacuzzi tubs, and even aromatherapy systems. Their team ensures that each remodeling process is handled with precision, from planning and design to final cleaning and debris removal. Every project is completed with a commitment to quality, ensuring that your newly remodeled bathroom in Cedar Fort is beautiful and built to last. Call EagleRidge Roofing and Construction today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and experience the difference a professional bathroom remodel can make.